you think you have to relearn it. It's actually, you do keep it locked up in your brain somewhere. But it's just opening that locked box in your head again. And after a while, it starts coming back. I do know it's there, you know, it's just accessing it. Determination has helped. Siarad Dysgu Cymraeg and Mind to Kill, Tair Chwaer, Pobl y Cwm. You know, that sort of spurs you on. And then you get brysur iawn gyda rhywbeth arall. And once again, it sort of drops off the cliff. Wel, ansbaradaethus. Ond, dwi ddim yn siŵr os ansbaradaethus is a real word. Is it? Because somebody then told me it was a made-up word and I got very cross. Because it took me ages to actually pronounce it. And the only way I managed to pronounce it properly was to think of asparagus. Darllen, siarad, bob dydd. Ar fy hunan. Whatever, to the air, to the sun, to the grass, whatever. Just speak, siarad I popeth yn y Gymraeg. Cadw mynd, keep going. I think dwi'n teimlo balch pan dwi'n siarad yn Gymraeg. I feel proud, so yeah, it's a nice feeling. It's been a want and a need of mine for many years, and I think I'm determined iawn now to keep it up.